all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be continuing with our Rossi motorcycle build. So we are going to do stages 70 and 71 of Build the Rossi. We're putting on some parts that we've had for a while today, and we're working on some of the reservoirs as well in today's issues. So yeah, this should be fun. Now the description in the magazine doesn't really match the description of what we're doing, but it's just the way it is as the parts come. But the parts we do get today though are in issue 70. We don't actually use until issue 71. So again, more parts, store away until you need them. But it is what it is with this bill anyway. Anyway, let's get started on this one today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so stage 70 is the hydraulic fluid reservoirs, but we're not actually working in on them today. What we do need to do is we need some tubes or some pipes that we got in the previous issue. So these here, and they're just going to fit onto the ends of these. Now I am going to glue them in. It doesn't say you need to glue these in, but they have a habit of falling out, so I glue mine on. Okay, that's one on. It does say they want them pointed downwards once they're on, but we might need to do that after we finish the build, because the next bit, they're going to be in the way a little bit. So I'm just going to put them up there like that. Okay, so the next thing we need the fairing support that we did in a previous issue, which is this piece here. And this is going to be simply going on to here, more or less, just like so. It needs to all kind of line up. Okay, now it wants us to screw that down, and we need to do that with some type K screws, which we got in magazine 69. So these are them, but they have got the hex head on them, so I do have my Oria to hand to get these in. I'm just going to get them started, and then I'll screw this end in fully. Okay, so they're in. I'm not over tightening these at all. I just want them to go in nice and gently. It's holding on to this thing as well while you're doing it. Okay, so that side's in. Now we've got the other side to do. Just move this pipe out the way. Okay, so screwdriver again. That's one. and that's the other in. Finally, for this stage, we got some clips a while ago that we need to put into place to basically tie these two pieces together. Now, for some strange reason, mine's lined up now. And then I'm going to put a bit of glue in the holes, just so we don't have any coming off. So just seeing which way these go around. And they're just going to push into place. And then we'll do the other side. Again, I'm going to glue this side in. Nice detail. Now, I might have to put this in with some pliers because it's quite difficult to get down in there with these washer bottles on, or whatever they are. Probably not washer bottles, reservoir tanks. Rather fiddler. One's broken. Isn't that typical for this build? One breaks. Okay, so that's on. And that is all there is to do in this stage. So that is stage 70 complete. Okay guys, stage 71. So basically it does say in this issue it's a steering damper and handle reservoir assembly. But again, we've got parts, but we're just not doing anything with them again. So first bits we need to bring across are these bits here. Okay, so this is a hydraulic fluid reservoir. So we just need to put this piece into there. We need this green pipe. That's just going to fit on over like that. That's quite a nice snug fit. And then we've got this outer casing here, and that's just going to simply slip on try and get it all the way on and lined up. Just push that down like so. Okay, we need to animate the next one. So this is the clutch fluid reservoir. So this time we need to this piece onto here, then it wants this little bracket. Now this is going on like so. I'm just checking that's correct because the hole for it is quite small. So if I can find my file, I'll just file a little bit off it into it. If not, I've got a funny feeling that peg will break. I can glue this on after. Okay. It's gone on. That's a nice snug fit. Okay, and we'll basically do the same. We need this other green pipe here. That's going to go on to just down here. There we go. And then we've got another casing to put over. Just onto there like that. Okay, so we finished them now. But what we do need to do is I need to bring the bike over here. I'm just going to switch to the side camera. Okay, so down here we need to put a pipe from this fit, so it's fit a pipe from this, I believe, even though I'm not too sure. Right, hang on. Complete the clutch fluid reservoir by, yeah, okay. Finally fit the clear 25mm part I to the connector underneath the radiator filler cap. Underneath the radiator cap on the right hand side of the frame and route it as indicated by the dotted line. Work out, unless I'm not seeing it. Under the flat, I cannot see a connector underneath there. Oh, there has been a connector, but it's broken off. So, yeah, okay. Right, so I can put that on. I'll just have to glue it on. You can sort of see where it's gone. So there was one on there, and there isn't now. Just hold that a couple of seconds. There we go. Just keep holding that, just let it, make sure it adheres. Okay, so that's on. Okay, so I'm going to leave that be. And that is this stage complete. So that is stage 71 done. Well guys, that's it for the Rossi for another video. That's stages 70 and 71 done. Not too bad, not as bad as I thought it would be, to be honest with you. But yeah, some of these pipes, there's just so many of them. It's just, oh, I've never seen so many pipes on a model before. It is amazing, really amazing the amount of piping. But that's what it is, it's a Rossi, so yeah, it'll always be known for its many pipes. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.